Hi everyone, my name is Ilana and today we are going to see how to get subscriber growth report in Klaviyo. Here in the profile section you will see this option named as view subscriber growth. Once we click on this, you will get the date range which has been automatically selected as last 7 days. There are multiple options to choose from. So we can select last 30 days. Once you scroll down, you'll get to see email subscribers, subscriber growth, and new subscribers as well as the exclusions. Here in opt-in sources, you can view the opt-in subscribers as well as the number of exclusion sources. So it can be because of email link, hard bounce, one link, unsubscribe. Once we scroll up, you can see on the top right corner there is this option to export to CSV. From here, we can get the report downloaded in our system. Once we click on export growth over time, we'll get the data of past 30 days as we have selected here. And another option is to get the reports of sources and exclusions. Thank you for watching.